In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize pages here in Canva. Now, to do this, we are going to be using a Canva Pro feature, and if you want to try a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down in the description below. Now, to do this, to change the page of the design, we simply want to come up here to where it says Magic Switch. Then we want to click on there, and we have a few different options. We have the most popular options just here. So if we click on See All, we have Instagram Stories, Instagram Posts, and all of these others. Now, if we scroll down more, we have sizes for social media. We also have print products as well, and various others, with even more at the bottom. If we click on more, we're going to get all these different sizes. Now, if we go back, and if you want to do a custom size, we simply want to click on custom size just here, and then we can change the width and the height. We can also change from pixels to inches to millimeters and centimeters. For this example, we're just going to keep this on pixels. Then we can change this, so let's do 1000 by 1000. We now have a few different options just here for landscape, portrait, and square, but we're going to go with 1000 by 1000. Now, if we click on this just here, we can see that that is ticked. So now we can click continue. Then we can go to copy and resize, or resize this design. If we click copy and resize, it's now going to have this in a new tab just here. Now, if we go back to Magic Switch, go back to Custom Design, do 1000 by 1000, click Continue, then just resize this design, it's going to resize just like that. So that's how to resize pages here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.